Well, I just got this Bosch Random Orbital Sander kit. So I thought we'd unbox it and see how it works. I got this belt sander. Does a good job. I have 80 grit on that. And then I have, the sheet sander. But now let's go ahead and try this Bosch Random Orbital Sander. I got this at Lowe's and it was on sale. Plus I got another 10% off for the box being crushed. So let's see, make sure everything's in here. This is a Bosch ROS 20 VSC. The VS is variable speed and the C is for the soft case as opposed to the hard case. Instructions, sanding disc, the unit itself, and the adapter if one's going to use a vacuum hose. And some cardboard. This uses the hook and loop connection for the sandpaper, which is the brand name's Velcro. Hook, if ever you see hook and loop, what they're talking about is Velcro. It's got this, rather than a dust bag, has this nice canister with another filter right there. Here's that security tag. And this is a connection there. Fits the small hose. Not real snug. We'll try that out in a minute. And this just snaps on. Let's plug it in, give it a whirl. Like I say, it comes with one disc, that's an 80 grit. You want to line up the holes. What I have here is just a piece of plywood. Let's run the 80 grit over that. I also went and got some 120 grit hook and loop gators. Marked difference, of course, from the back side that I didn't do, this side. I also have some ash. Now I ran, already I did an 80 grit on this with my belt sander. So let's run the 120 with the orbital sander. Oh. Wow. Okay. That's what we got. Well, there's my unboxing and my test run of the Bosch Random Orbital Sander 20 VSC. It's a variable speed, comes with the soft case, vacuum adapter, and one 80 grit disc. I really like the canister. Even besides the collecting of the dust, really nice. A lot better than those bags I've seen that get in the way. And the dust comes through the bag. So, much better. Light, easy to go with. Easy to work with. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.